I'm Dr Stuart Best. My role is the Deputy Director at DMPK for Sygnature Discovery. So DMPK is drug metabolism and pharmacokinetics. In a nutshell, it's what your body would do if you took a medicine and how your body handles that medicine. Virtually all of our experiments end up with a mass spec endpoint, and we utilise the most up-to-date versions of these instruments. They are cutting-edge technology, and we really do push them to the limits of what they can do. We work with large pharmaceutical companies, we work with a lot of biotechs, really anybody that needs access to the services that Sygnature Discovery can offer. The strengths of Sygnature Discovery are very much the people. They're its asset, and the scientific knowledge within the company is phenomenal. So for new graduates coming in, they'll be trained on how to perform assays, how to use the mass specs. They can decide whether they want to focus more on a project role, or would they like to specialise in, say, a subject like metabolite identification, where you really hone your skills in that area. And there's a real strong team ethos in the company. We interact and provide support to other departments, bioscience, chemistry, translational oncology. So you get a really nice interaction with other disciplines. So for people who might want to join, they can come either from a chemistry or a biology background. You really are made to feel part of the Sygnature family and a very valid member of the team. It's a brilliant place to work.